At least the bottom glass will be clean.
How come it's like that? What happened?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Who did that?
Go put this
You.
in
No, I think
Elizabeth, pass the
Michelle's
sauce.
room and Nathan's.
Christmas Eve, December 24th.
La 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 la. Josh has spilled the dishwasher.
The soap is funny. Go get Josiah, Dad. Dad, get
Why don't you
Josiah.
go get him yourself?
Shut up, Nathan.